Let's learn how to see all the comments you've ever made on YouTube. Surely you've experienced finding a comment you wrote, but not knowing on which video you posted it. If you've had this problem, after watching this video, you won't have it anymore. The first thing you need to check for this method to work is whether your YouTube app is updated. You can check this by going to the App Store. When it opens, click on the option in the bottom right corner. This is the search option, and when the page opens, type in YouTube. When the page loads, if it says Open next to YouTube, then your app is updated. If it says Update, click it and wait for it to finish. The first thing you need to do is open the YouTube app. When YouTube opens, you'll be on the home page, but you need to go to the U option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on that option, a page will open with some information about your channel. On that page, you need to click on the Settings option located in the top right corner of the screen. When you click it, a page with many options will open, and from all those options you need to click on Manage All History. When you click it, a page will open where you need to click on the Interactions option located in the top right. When you click on that option, a page with 4 options will open. From those 4 options, you need to click on the third one, which is Comments and Replies. Once you click on that option, a list of all your comments will appear, and above them, you'll see the date you posted them. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.